Alright guys, pressing hotspot problem or hotspot not working issue on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There is a quick and simple way to fix this issue. Stay with the steps you see on the screen and share internet easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.